Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today, we're going to do it.
It's the day.
It's the day.
It has come.
The day has come. Stick around and find out what today is. Alright, so here we are, Weems Motor Co. Getting ready to roll out to California with number 56, the Born Free build. But one important thing to do before we do that, what do we got to do, Jeremiah?
We got to start it.
We got to start it. And let's just say I have some anxiety when it comes to this. With everything that I've done to the motor, alcohol fuel, mechanically fuel injected, supercharged, there's a lot of variables that I've never done before in my life. In theory, in my head, I've kind of worked it out. Like, it should work. In theory, it should work.
We stayed in Holiday Inn Express last night. We know how to do it.
So one of two things is going to happen. It's going to start up and it's going to be flawless. Or number two, it's going to explode and I'm all of a sudden going to go viral on YouTube. And you guys watching this video are going to be the first to find out.
Yeah.
Regardless of the outcome, I'm taking this bike to Born Free in California. I'll load up all the pieces and parts, throw it in the trailer, and go out there and just say, you know what? I tried.
You should. You worked your butt off, dude.
Well, let's try. Let's get this bike set up. The way we're going to do it, we're going to set the bike up on rollers. We're going to use the 2005 Superglide Custom Harvey Danielson as the power to revolve the Triumph into some sort of life. I'm going to check for spark first, make sure that we got all the valves are moving and everything properly, and then button it up, throw some fuel to it, and hopefully this is going to be a short video with a lot of success and high fives at the end.
Oh, I hope so. I've been waiting for this.
I haven't. I'm nervous. Stick around, guys. Just when you think you got it, Mother Nature decides to kick you in the nuts. Welcome to Florida. Welcome to rain. Sunshine's out. It's raining. Had to pull the bike off of the rollers really quickly to not have the thing get wet and have to clean it again. So we're gonna have to wait out the storm. So while it's raining, I listen across the road and hear my buddy Doug. You seen him on the video a couple ago. He's working on something for the Born Free bike himself. So while we're waiting for Mother Nature to stop peeing on us, we're gonna go check out what he's doing. What you got going on? Get it.
Right now we're gonna pre-torch, get ready to make sure there's no dust sediments, and then we're gonna pour some epoxy.
Nobody's seen this before. This is awesome.
Good. Let's do some epoxy.
Gonna nail it. What you got there, Doug? You got, what's that?
This is magic dust.
It's magic dust.
It's straight from Miami.
Does it smell good? This is gonna be a great edit.
Let's do an Amber Heard bump.
I felt it moving the rollers when it took. Like it was, even I had the clutch in and it was still like, I'm gonna go.
This thing is a beast.
Yeah, it is.
Hey guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. That's all I needed to see. This thing runs. We are ready to head to California, get this thing loaded up in the trailer. So thank you guys for hanging out, Jeremiah.
Thanks for letting me be here, man.
No, thank you for all the help, man.
No,
So super
I want
excited.
to.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, jump down. Hit that subscribe button. If you really liked the video, which I really liked
I
it,
did.
hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
At Weems Motor Co.
Peace!